Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the Playmaker feature in Madden 27. After you take the snap, look for the receiver you want to redirect. Keep in mind that the receiver closest to your quarterback is usually the one you will be able to control with Playmaker. Now hold the left trigger and while holding it, move the right stick in the direction you want your receiver to run. For example, if you want the receiver to move toward the right, hold the left trigger and push the right stick to the right. You'll see the receiver change direction and start running toward the right side of the field. If you want him to go toward the left instead, hold the left trigger and move the right stick to the left. You can also move your receiver up or down. To send him down the field, hold the left trigger and push the right stick up. And if you want the receiver to come back toward you, hold the left trigger and push the right stick down. So the direction you move the right stick determines where your receiver will go, while the left trigger activates the Playmaker control. In Madden 27, make sure you hold the left trigger first and then move the right stick in the direction you want. So if you want to quickly change your receiver's route during a play, just hold the left trigger, use the right stick and choose the direction you want your receiver to run. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.